Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog nail grinders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the RUCACIO Painless Paws Grooming Electric Nail Grinder. RUCACIO is one of the top brand pet products manufacturers that has been around since 2009 and produces high-quality pet care essentials. This nail grinder is manufactured with diamond bit grinder and has 3 size openings in the grinder area that you can use since not all dogs have the same nail size. You can also remove the entire cover for faster grinding or if your dog's nail is bigger than the opening. When it comes to cleaning, you can easily remove the nail powder with an eraser or cloth. Thanks to the Super Mute motor, the RUCACIO electric nail grinder has low noise and low vibration, which is great as it won't frighten your dog when trimming their nails. It is also lightweight, portable, and is rechargeable using the included USB, making it perfect for traveling. Moving on at number 4, we have the Dremel 7300PT 4.8 volts Cordless Pet Nail Grooming Toolkit. I'm sure you are familiar with Dremel. And if you are not, this is an American brand founded in 1932 and is known for its powerful rotary tool. As its name indicates, this rechargeable, battery-powered device is cordless, meaning you don't need to sit next to an electrical outlet to operate it. It uses a 60-grit sanding drum designed to trim your dog's toenail quickly and effectively. Additionally, it has a very powerful motor and is arguably the most powerful dog nail grinding tool you can get on the market. There are 2 adjustable rotation speeds, 6,500 and 13,000 rotations per minute, allowing you to adjust it for precise control. The Dremel 7300PT 4.8 volts cordless pet nail grooming tool is suitable for all size dogs. What's more, it is compatible with various sanding drums and bands, making it a lot easier for you when it needs a replacement. Not to mention the battery can be removed and able to quickly recharge in just 3 hours. At number 3, we have the Conair Pro Professional Corded Nail Grinder for dogs and cats. Prefer a corded dog nail grinder? Check out the Conair Pro Professional Corded Nail Grinder, another powerful tool that you can use to sand down your canine's claws. It is a professional quality nail grinder made of durable material and equipped with a quiet yet powerful motor to provide an effective nail grooming process. It includes 2 interchangeable finishing stones and 4 grinding bands, as well as a protective cover to safely trim your fur kid's nails and prevent the nail dust from flying around. It is also very lightweight, and the stone and sander attachments can be easily attached and detached when needed. At number 2, we have the Invenho Pet Nail Grinder. Invenho is another pet supplies company that produces high-quality products. This nail grinder is equipped with diamond bit grinder and fitted with a 2-speed switch and 3 different sizes of ports for you to use depending on your dog's size and nail hardness. What is also great is that the precision motor used has low vibration to assure your dog will not be unnerved. The Invenho Pet Nail Grinder is very easy to use and has 6 hours of running time with a rechargeable design to make it easy for you when traveling. And finally at number 1, we have the RUCACIO Dog Nail Grinder. The RUCACIO Dog Nail Grinder is one of the top picks by many. Unlike most nail grinders, it features an advanced 3-speed switch, with a nail guard to prevent overcutting, nasty pains, or bleeding. It has a thick diamond grinding stone, plus 3 grinding ports for better control when filing your dog's nails, hence safer. It is also cordless, easy to operate, and can last approximately 4 hours after a 3 hours charge time. You can charge it with computers, power banks, or car chargers as long as you have the USB cable. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon